What's up, guys? Mr. Castle here. So I wanted to make this quick video because for the last 2 years of owning our 2 Jeep Renegades, we've realized and figured out a couple of little quirks that you have to really know in order to use your navigation system. I'm in a Facebook Jeep Renegade owners group, JROG, that I've realized after seeing so many posts, a lot of people dislike their radio systems, whether you call it Uconnect or whatever it is, because the navigation system doesn't work as easy as the phones or Google Maps or Waze or whatever people use. So I just wanted to make this quick video because when I purchased our Jeeps, we loved the fact that it had navigation, but I slowly realized that it doesn't work as easy as everything else, and I think that's really, now that I've learned why, I think it's really just technology that gets us used to things being very easy, and that's why we sometimes stumble on things that are right in front of us. So I wanted to show you guys, obviously, the original, or the most easiest way. I don't know about easiest, but the most basic way, I think, would be just to use the touch screen and go ahead and enter, address. Go ahead and select, the first one is the city, then the street, and then obviously the state, but most likely you'll just be using these two. And then once you enter the street, it asks you for the numbers of the street, and that's pretty, self-explanatory. You get it. But the way that everyone complains about is using the speech recognition button. So I'll show you the way that most people do it, which I did it at first, and now I understand again why people complain. So I'm gonna go ahead and press it. 900 South Clark Street.
I didn't understand what you said. Canceled.
So as you can see, the only reason I pressed canceled is so it wouldn't take what I was about to say as the next command. So as you can see, it didn't understand me just saying 900 South Clark Street. And here's what I mean by this radio, or this navigation system, was programmed with certain keywords or programming. So what we're used to just saying on our Siri or Android devices, just 900 South Clark Street, and it pops it up right away. This one, when you press the speech recognition, it gives you the words that you're supposed to use. So in this case, find address, that's what you want to use before you say the address. So I'm going to show you guys. Find address, 900 South Clark Street, Chicago, Illinois. Now you see it found it. I didn't show you guys in this video, but if you were to just say 900 South Clark Street, Chicago, it won't find it. You have to say the state.
South Clark Street, Chicago.
So you see it found it right away. But again, you have to say the find address, the city, and the state, or else it won't work. And then there you go. So the navigation is I think it's really good. I haven't had any issues with it once I figured this out. So I think if you can just, start using that, then you'll actually like it a little bit more, because you understand how it's programmed and using the keywords that it needs to recognize what you're saying. So hopefully that helps anyone who either has already a Jeep Renegade with navigation, or perhaps is just getting one. Then that helps you guys in your future adventures. All right, so please make sure to subscribe and like the video, comment if you guys have any questions. But I appreciate you guys watching the video. Thanks.